Installing and running Python on Visual Studio Code is a straightforward process regardless of your operating system. Here's a step-by-step guide. One, install Python. Before you can run Python code in VS Code, you need to have Python installed on your system. Follow these steps to install Python. Windows. Download the latest Python installer from the official Python website, Python Downloads, python.org/downloads/. Run the installer and make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. macOS. macOS usually comes with a pre-installed version of Python. You can check the version by opening the terminal and typing python-version. If it's not installed or you need a different version, consider using Homebrew to install Python. Brew install Python. Linux. Most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed. You can install Python using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, you can run sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get install python 3.2. Install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code, code.visualstudio.com/. 3. Install Python extension for VS Code. Open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for Python and install the Python extension provided by Microsoft. This extension provides features like IntelliSense, linting, debugging, and code formatting for Python development in VS Code. Running Python code. Once you have Python and VS Code installed, you're ready to run Python code. 1. Create a Python file. Using VS Code, create a new file with a .py extension. For example, hello.py. 2. Open the Python file you created and write your Python code. For example, Python print hello world. 3. Run Python code. To run your Python code, you can use the integrated terminal in VS Code. Open the terminal in VS Code by selecting Terminal, New Terminal from the menu. Navigate to the directory containing your Python file using the cd command. Run the Python file by typing python hello.py in the terminal and pressing enter. Replace hello.py with the name of your Python file if it's different. 4. View output. After running the Python file, you should see the output in the terminal. In this example, it would be hello world. That's it! You've successfully installed and run Python on Visual Studio Code for all operating systems. You can now continue writing and running Python code in VS Code using its powerful features and extensions. To subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!